So this is the no paradox. Kids by the age of 2, 3, 4 have heard no so frequently. So the first way we're losing energy around receiving abundance is we perceive what we desire to be wrong. Hello, hello. How are you? This is Jillian Schlegger, author to intuitive coach, and I am here to talk to you about 3 ways you're losing energy around abundance, receiving abundance, and how to fix that. So I call this the no paradox. I am not a parent. I've taught many children in my life, gymnastics and math and English and reading and teaching in Korea. So I've worked with many children, but I'm not a parent. But I hear from a lot of parents that kids, you know, those terrible twos, when kids are saying no all the time, right? You say anything to them, they're like, no. And there's this whole big thing about kids just want to say no all the time. Guess what kids by the age of 2, guess what word kids by the age of 2 have heard most frequently? No, right? So this creates a paradox, right? That's the no paradox. A lot of parents get frustrated with kids because by the age of 2, 3, 4, all they're saying is no. But by that age, all the kid has heard is no. No, don't touch that. No, you can't do that. No, you can't have that. No, it's not dinner time yet. No, we can't buy that. It's too expensive, right? No. So when we become an adult and we tune into receiving abundance, creating what we desire in our reality, we often in our head, what do we tell ourselves first? No. We hear this no in our head. So this is the no paradox. So when tune into, if you've worked with me before, if you've seen it in my videos, I talk about muscle testing all the time. You can muscle test this. So tune into, I heard no so often. So now I, 1, perceive what I'm desiring as wrong. This is 3 ways you're losing energy around receiving abundance, and we're going to tune into how to fix it as well. So 1 is perceive. When you think about something that you want to have to be, create, receive, generate, actualize, manifest, look at, buy, create, anything, you may be thinking that or perceiving that what you desire is wrong. And let me know, give me a hashtag replay if you're on the replay right now. Let me know if this resonates with you. Give me a hashtag value. And if you want a cheat sheet for this, then write down, type in cheat sheet. So this is the no paradox. Kids by the age of 2, 3, 4 have heard no so frequently that by the time we get to be adults, we automatically just hear this no. Whenever we desire to create something in our life, we hear no in our head. So the first way we're losing energy around receiving abundance is we perceive what we desire to be wrong. 2 is we tell ourselves no, right? Even before we wonder if we can have, do, be, create, generate that thing. We automatically just tell ourselves no. Might as well not even go there, right? So 1, perceive what we're desiring is wrong. 2, we tell ourselves no, even before we try. And 3, we expect that other people will tell us, no, that's a bad idea. So we don't even try. So either we're telling ourselves it's a no, it's a bad idea. We're perceiving other people will we're expecting and concluding and judging that other people will just tell us no. Or we're perceiving that it's just wrong to even desire to have, do, or be that thing. And we're so hard on ourselves. And I have so many clients who think that they are lazy one side of the spectrum. The other side of the spectrum is, oh, I'm a perfectionist, so I don't even try, right? So we're either lazy, we think that we're lazy, or we think that we're a perfectionist and we don't try, when actually it's really this no paradox. We were told no so often when we were a kid that we just automatically go to no in our head, or what we think we desire, or we're thinking of doing, receiving, creating is wrong. Or we think that somebody else outside of us will just say no. So we don't even try, right? So hashtag value if you think this is valuable, if you're picking up what I'm putting down here, right? What is this and how can we fix it, right? So I want you to say to yourself right now, just take a deep breath, fill your belly with energy, take a deep breath. Relax the tension in your shoulders, relax the tension in your chest, fill your belly up with air, and then release all of that air. Now I want you to tell yourself, I can decide to receive this. I can decide to receive this. And when you repeat that, I want you just to take a minute, here. Take a minute and repeat that phrase. I can decide to receive this. What does that feel like? And my muscle testers in the house, my team, my tribe, my clients, my students, those of you who have worked with me before and done some muscle testing, how does that feel? Does that feel like a yes? Yeah, I can decide to receive this. Yeah. Or does that feel like a no, that's not right? How does that feel? How does it feel? Tune into your body. I can decide to receive this. So I want you to feel into your body where that is. I want you to feel into where is that choice. You're making a choice. I can decide to receive this. That's a choice. Where is that choice sitting in your body? Where is that decision? Where is that reaction? Is there a reaction in your body? And where is a trigger? Is there a knot that twists in your belly? Is there constriction in your throat? Do you fear criticism? You're going to be criticized if you decide to choose to receive abundance, right? So you're going to say, I can decide to receive this. You're going to feel into your body where that is. If there's a reaction, if there's a trigger, if you decide, I can decide to receive this, what happens in your body? How does that feel? And then 3, you're going to ask, is there too much energy? Is there a heavy energy with this? Is there too much energy? And then you're going to decide, or you're going to ask, how much energy belongs to someone else? Is this trigger, is this reaction in my body actually from someone else, or is this mine? You may be buying it as yours, but is it really yours? Does that belong to somebody else? And then, is it safe to change this? Is it safe to change this? We'll add number 4. What can I choose instead? What can I choose instead? I'm gonna write that down. And if you guys want a cheat sheet on this with these steps, write down cheat sheet below. And give me a hashtag value if you did find this valuable. So hopefully this makes sense. Hopefully this was valuable for you guys. And I'd love for you to tune into that no paradox. And really pay attention to your body. When we're talking about money and wealth and abundance and receiving, oftentimes there's this no paradox, right? I was told no so often when I was a kid that I've just taken on that responsibility and I'm now parenting myself and telling myself, no, No, I can't do that. No, I can't have that. No, I can't be that, right? And tune into, can I? So what can you say yes to? What would you like to say yes to instead? What would you like to receive? How much abundance are you available to receive? Let me know if you guys resonate with this, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.